Well, it says then.
Go easy. I don't think it's going to fit on that carpet, kiddo.
Okay. Let me bring him back to Jill.
To Jill?
Yeah.
Why to Jill?
Hey, what?
Why to Jill?
Because he's going to.
I thought he was going to Riverland.
What?
I thought he was going to Riverland.
This isn't Riverland. This isn't Riverland.
Watch the tree. We're playing with you guys.
Why did he say, where are we going?
Is that what he said?
Why did he say, where are we going?
I don't know, maybe he wonders what you're doing with him.
Pussy, 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 puss, puss you, puss.
Careful.
Pussy you, there, the house, to Riverland. This is Riverland. Mom, we're at Riverland.
What you gonna do in Riverland?
Play with toys.
What kind of toys? What are those?
Cars.
Oh, of course.
I'm pushing them way over here.